Hey, so if LDPlayer opens and then just closes right away, yeah, that's a really annoying issue. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick fixes that usually solve it. All right, first, restart your computer, then right-click LDPlayer and run it as administrator. This clears temporary glitches and permission issues. Next, make sure virtualization is enabled. Open Task Manager, go to the CPU tab and check the virtualization status. If it's disabled, enable it in BIOS. Now, disable Hyper-V. Search Windows features, open it, and uncheck Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Then restart your PC. Okay, so outdated or broken graphics drivers can cause LDPlayer to crash on launch. Update your GPU drivers to the latest version. If you can access settings, switch the graphics rendering mode between OpenGL and DirectX. Sometimes one mode causes crashes while the other works fine. Also, close background apps like antivirus, overlays, or other emulators. These can conflict and force LDPlayer to shut down. And yeah, if nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer completely and reinstall the latest version. This usually fixes corrupted files causing the crash. So yeah, those are the main fixes if LDPlayer auto closes after launch. Try them one by one and it should start normally again.